Hello there, Karen Wolf here in the art studio. I am getting ready to paint I said pumpkin, but a cat and a jack-o'-lantern. How about that? I posted on my page the other day the wood background and asked you all what you wanted to see me paint on there. So I did a little pumpkin over there this evening. I'm just trying to get you all up on my iPad so I can see comments and see who's on here. Hey, Tammy. Hey. Good to see you, girl. That text app works. That's fast lightning speed. Yeah, you like that better than the notifications? The Facebook notifications just don't seem to ever work for me. They just never do. I think I've got that flipped. I think. You can always tell whenever I touch the wrong side of my face. Yes. Okay. All right. I hope you guys can see that there. I think so. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to paint this. I'm going to try. I did this one earlier, and I just got to start on it. I like it okay so far. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. So I thought I'd put that there for an example. You guys could see that. And then I thought I'd try this. So we'll go with this for a little bit here. Just a little Halloween thing, since we've got, that'll be here before we know it. So I'm just going in with some yellow, or with some orange, sienna. Got a little bit of red on there. Might put some red in there. Just getting some darks in here. So, but this is just an example of what you could do on your background. When you have your background as your wood, you can do, like I said, there's many things that you can do with that. I need some orange. So you said you'd been painting. Yeah, I like the text too. I agree with you on that, Tammy. That text is just it's cool how all that works. I text you and tell you I'm going live, and next thing I know, here you are. So it works. But you said you'd been painting. Anxious to hear what you've been painting. You've been painting anything fun? The hard part is once you get a background in, I'll switch to my bigger brush. Once you get a background like that one and you're doing a transparent color over on top of it, sometimes the background will show through a little bit, and that causes a little bit of anxiety. But if you don't want the background to show through, you can go in and add a little bit of white to your first go, and then your second coat will cover better. But this is doing good. It's, now that I got a bigger brush, I was trying to paint this with that 1/2 inch flat, and it wasn't working for me. So all I've done so far is just gone in with a little bit of orange and some burnt sienna, just to get a base coat here of the pumpkin. So who all do I have on here? It shows 2 or 3. That's just Tammy on there. Now I'm just seeing. So, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Alright, so we got that part in. Then I'm going to go in and do my 1/2 inch flat. I'm going to do the stem with a little bit of brown. And let's do a little bit of yellow. Brown and yellow. And I just drew that on there with chalk, which is nice. Just did a little bit of chalk. Just plain old chalk. Just a piece of chalk. That way if I don't like it, I can erase it. And I did. I drew it a whole bunch of different times and I didn't like it. And I kept changing it and changing it and changing it. So here I'm going to get me a little bit of black. I have all kinds of ideas in my head of what to paint in front of this. I may do several different ones. Who knows? Might be a good idea for some video inside of my membership, huh? Just have all kinds of stuff going on. Speaking of which, that membership's going to be opening up pretty soon. The All Access membership's coming up. Opening on September the 20th. If you're not on the waiting list, you might want to do that. There's a little freebie there for you. I'll put the link in the comments for the waiting list if you're not on the wait list for the All Access membership. That'll be a good one. Let's see. Got the cat painted in. Do his tail. Better not forget his tail. And the barn back there is my workshop coming up. That is going to be so much fun. It's a 3-day workshop. It starts on Sunday, September the 19th. It's coming up. It's only $10. It's a 3-day, but it's not like all day. It's from 7 to 8. Each of those days from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You register to join. And I can put a link down there for you if you want to register to join. It's on my Art by Karen Wolf website in the workshops. But I can post the link there if you're interested. And it's a 3-day workshop from 7 to 8. We're going to paint the autumn barn. And we break it down into 3 evenings, an hour each evening. And I show you step by step how to paint the barn. And I'm going to go up here and paint this. Hey, Violet. Hello. You love the pumpkin on the right? I did that one just earlier. I was saying I did that one, and then I decided I wanted to do something more to it, but I didn't know what. And so I decided I would do this, and then see what I'm going to do with that. I'm not sure yet. Maybe you have a suggestion. Maybe you and Tammy have a suggestion. But the barn is an autumn barn. We'll be painting it in the a private Facebook group. Once you register, then I go into the or I send you a link to register to request to join a private Facebook group, and